Weigh your puppy monthly. Consistent weight gain within breed norms confirms your nutrition plan is working. Sudden drop of tempo. If your puppy eats a balanced whole food diet, most supplements are unnecessary. However, for home-cooked meals, a quarter teaspoon of high-quality fish oil added to meals 3 times weekly provides puppies with the DHA and EPA. Nutrition is not universal. Large breed puppies like German Shepherds must avoid excess calcium to protect growth plates. Large breed puppies grow for up to 24 months. Overloading protein and calcium during this window causes rapid growth. Here is a complete balanced starter meal for most puppies. Shredded boiled chicken, plain white rice, flunks. Your puppy's coat is a direct mirror of internal nutrition. Dull, brittle fur signals omega deficiency. Investing in quality puppy nutrition now saves thousands in veterinary bills later. Diet-related illnesses are among them. Every single meal you prepare with care is an investment in years of companionship, health, and joy. You chose to learn. You chose to do better. That choice is already making a difference in your puppy's life. Do not stop here. If this guide helped you, hit like and subscribe right now. Share it with every new puppy owner you know. One video could save a puppy. Click one of these videos next to continue your puppy nutrition education. Every puppy deserves an owner who keeps learning. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Share this guide with someone who has a puppy. You might just change that animal's entire life.